Good morning, learners! Magandang umaga! Maestrang Filo will be your teacher today. We are going to discuss our first lesson in English. Today, we are going to learn about nouns, its definition, and examples. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Look at the following pictures. What can you see? Good job, kids! There is a picture of a man, a market, a clock, a rabbit, and a birthday party. Now, what part of his speech is shown through these pictures? Excellent! These are nouns. What is a noun? Kids, a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal, or event. Let's elaborate on the meaning of a noun. First, a noun can be a person. For example, mother, nurse, and baby. Now, give me some examples that you can think of. Very good! A noun can also be a place. For example, hospital, New York, and library. What are the other examples? Brilliant! A noun can be a thing. For example, scissors, shirt, and computer. Think of other examples, kids. Well said! A noun can also be an animal. For example, bird, elephant, cat. It's your turn to think. Bravo! Lastly, a noun can be an event. For example, Christmas, baptism, birthday party. What else? Fantastic, learners! It's time to practice. Let us know if you learned something. Don't worry, it will be an easy task. All you have to do is encircle the noun. Are you ready, kids? Let's start! Which is the noun? Run or runner? Correct! The answer is runner. Runner is a person. Number 2. Which is the noun? Beautiful or sofa? Correct! The answer is sofa. Sofa is a thing. Number 3. Which is the noun? Lion or huge? Correct! The answer is a lion. A lion is an animal. Number 4. Which is the noun? Korea or travel? Correct! The answer is Korea. Korea is a name of a country. Number 5. Which is the noun? Inside or Valentine's Day? Correct! The answer is Valentine's Day. It is a name of an event. Well done, learners! Did you get a perfect score of 5? If yes, you are an excellent student. If not, that's okay. Just keep practicing. Kids, do you know that there are 2 main categories of nouns? These are proper nouns and common nouns. When we say proper noun, it is the name of a specific person, place, thing, animal, or event. It starts with a capital letter. For example, Dubai. It is a name of a country or place. Taylor Swift. It is a name of a person. Neptune. It is a name of a planet. The following nouns start with a capital letter. Can you give other examples? Good job, kids! Common noun is another category of noun. It is used as a general name for a person, place, thing, animal, or event. Unlike proper nouns, the common noun does not begin with a capital letter. For example, bedroom, father, brush. What else? Can you give other examples? Brilliant! It seems that you gained a clear understanding of nouns. Now, it's time to test your mastery of the lesson. It's quiz time! Kids, kindly get a sheet of paper and a pencil. Write PN if the given word is a proper noun and CN if it is a common noun. Are you ready? Let's start! You can pause the video if you need more time. Good luck, kids! Now, let us check your answers. You can ask your parent or guardian to check your answers, or you can do it yourself. Just remember, honesty is the best policy, okay? What are your scores, kids? Wow, you did a great job! Give yourselves a round of applause. Again, this is Maestrang Filo. See you on our next lesson. Bye!